Hi, I'm Frida.
Hi, I'm Javi. Just wanted to say a huge thank you for supporting our Triodos crowdfunder.
We've done it, thanks to you.
We've opened the door to a new chapter for House of Hackney.
A chapter where we can finally leave behind our private equity partnership and move towards a model rooted in long-term purpose, care and regeneration.
We know we're not the average crowdfunding investment, that we are a design brand led by mission to restore more than we take, with Mother Nature as our director.
These are emergent times, and they're times that call for new ways of being and doing.
We believe in business rooted in values, and we believe business can be one of the most powerful levers for change.
Your support reminds us that we're not alone in this vision. It strengthens our belief that there's a growing community ready to reimagine what business could be. We are now on a mission to fully integrate House of Hackney into nature's living systems. And this isn't just about surface level sustainability, it's deep work.
And it runs through everything: governance, accounting, materials, restoration and our culture.
Now we have the freedom to do so. We can't wait to bring you, our community, on the journey with us.
To learn, unlearn, share and grow together.
The future belongs to businesses that serve not just the shareholders, but the entire Earth community. We're so excited to have you join us for this new chapter of House of Hackney.